Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. This is Bharat Ahuja. Today I am going to unbox the Mac Mini 2018 and I'm very excited to show it to you. So I have it in my hand, got it delivered, the Mac Mini, and we are going to start the unboxing of it. I have the box here. Let's start the unboxing. And here we have the amazing Mac Mini from Apple. This looks very nicely packed, as you can see. Let me put the box on a side, and as I can hold it straight, or in this camera you can see it's very well packed. It has this description in the box which reads as doesn't have the configuration on the box, but this is a 6-core i7 processor, 3.2 GHz, which has a turbo boost of up to 4.6 GHz, and it has a 12 MB shared L3 cache with 8 GB of RAM, which I am going to upgrade later. I have already ordered a 64 GB RAM, so that would be a separate configuration. For now, this is going to be the 8 GB RAM. The storage for this one is 128 gigabytes SSD, which is a solid state disk, and it can be expanded with external storage, which is what I prefer. And the graphics card is Intel UHD Graphics 630. I'm just reading the Apple site instructions for now, and it has additional support. We are going to go through each and every port when we reach that point. So let me start with unboxing this. So I hope I am not getting too many reflections in this. So let's start with the unboxing. How does it come out? Wow, that looks amazing. So this looks good. Alright, so I just pulled it out from the box, and this is how the Mac Mini looks like. Let's pull it out of the box and very carefully and slowly. And this comes with a cable, and the packing is, this is how it looks like. So let's unwrap it. Wow, a nice gray matte finish, looks amazing. And as you can see, it's pretty lightweight. I have my Apple TV with me, so this is my 3rd generation Apple TV. I've been using it for a while. It's not the 4K one. So just to give you a gist of comparison, this is how much it is. It looks like 1/4 in size. And alright, so let's look at the available ports that it has. So when you look at it for the first glance, you see that it's wrapped from this side. So we're going to unwrap the tape, and let's find out what kind of ports does this have. So this one let me bring it to the focus. So as you can see, this is the power port. Alright, so as you can see, it has the power port, one 10 gigabytes data transfer Ethernet port, four Thunderbolt 3 ports that look like USB-C, and one HDMI and two USB-A ports, and a headphone jack. I don't know why they have it there, but it's probably if you want to use the headsets or take calls. That's probably what my assumption is. So that's the list of ports. That's a list of ports this Mac Mini has, and let's try to plug it to the computer and see how it works. So basically, we are going to pull out the power cable. It's pretty good in length. I would measure it as probably 6 feet long. Yep, 6 feet long is probably what I would measure it. I'm just measuring it against my 2 feet wide cable, my IK cable. So that's the unboxing. We are going to do another video of reviewing the Mac Mini after connecting it to the computer, and we will see how it looks like, how it works, how what all it has as functions and features. But for now, all you can see is it has a power button. It's a clickable button, and it has a power cord extension. Not the power cord extension, the power supply, where this you would plug in, and then the 10 gigabytes data transfer Ethernet port, and 4 Thunderbolt 3 ports, followed by HDMI port, and then the USB A ports, which is 2, and then underneath we have a headset jack. So that's all on the unboxing of the Mac Mini. I'm going to connect it to the computer and keyboard mouse, and I'm going to make some few checks and tests, and then I'm going to let you guys know how this Mac Mini functions. So that's it for now, and let me know how you like this video. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe the bell icon, click the bell icon, and leave me your comments with feedbacks, good, bad, anything. Let me know how did you find it.